Hello friends, in this new lesson number 95, we are going to be learning signs for the different items that we use in our cooking. Before we start, let's practice signs from lesson number 92 that we had already done on subjects. Subjects: mathematics, science, geography, chemistry, biology, physics, economics, accountancy, business studies. Let us learn signs for different items that we use in our cooking. Salt, salt, sugar, sweet, sugar, mustard, round and what we use in seasoning, mustard, jeera, what we use in seasoning, jeera, oil, 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 ghee. Another way to sign: ghee. Another way to sign: spices, spices, masalas, chili powder, yellow color, different colors, masalas, Jaggery, J and a bite, Jaggery, pepper, black and round, pepper. Let's practice signs for the cooking ingredients once. Salt, sugar, mustard, jeera, oil, ghee. Another way to sign: spices, masalas, jaggery, pepper. We have finished learning the new signs. Please subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, inform your friends, get more friends to join you in your learning and practicing experience. We'll see you soon again. Bye bye.